friends, I am Aksa Jacob. So friends, graduation day is coming so near and this time we are gonna have a virtual graduation. So how about making our graduation fantastic and realistic? Cool, isn't it? So today I'm gonna help you with making a graduation hat. So without further waiting, let's start the video. So firstly, let's see what all things we need to make our graduation cap or hat. So we need black A4 size paper or black chart paper. Then we need a scale, means a ruler. For marking and all, we need a pencil or a pen. For cutting and trimming, we need scissors, eraser or rubber for rubbing, cardboard to make the hat strong, glue gun or Fevicol for bonding, thread or string of red or yellow color to make a tassel, and lastly we need tape. So without delaying it, let's see how simply we can just make it. So firstly we will take black chart paper, but yeah, as I told you before, you can also use black A4 size paper or black any hard paper instead. Now we will take our scale and vertically we will measure 20 cm or 7.87 inches. Here I am using a big scale, but you can just simply use a regular small scale instead. There isn't any compulsory to use a big scale. Now bring the ruler 4 cm means 1.57 inches down from 20 cm means 7.87 inches and mark it out. Now cut up the 20 cm means 7.87 inches marked line. Now we will keep the extra black paper aside for further use. Now I am just erasing the unwanted lines, but it's completely optional. You can just simply leave it too. Now with the help of a scissor, we will make small cuts as shown in the video. Now take the paper and measure your head. Now just for urgent use, we will secure the ending with a tape. Now we will take Fevicol or a glue gun and bond the paper as shown. Now just for extra safety, I am just securing it with a tape, but it's completely up to you. Also, don't forget to glue shown extra inside part, or you can simply cut it off. Now press the small cuts of paper inside as shown in the video. Now on the other hand, we will take cardboard and with the help of a ruler or scale, we will make vertical line of 28 cm means 11.02 inches. And horizontally we will make 35 cm means 13.78 inches line. Now cut out the cardboard. Now take the extra black pepper and place the cardboard piece on it. Then trim the pepper into 2 pieces. After cutting the paper, we will cut out the corners of the paper as shown in the video. Then with the help of a Fevicol or glue gun, we will bond the paper with the boards. After it, we will bond the extra black pepper and trim out the unwanted pieces as shown. Now apply glue to the small pieces of paper and carefully bond them to cardboard as shown. Now, to make it a little bit bold, we will make some cuts on top first. Now glue the pieces and press and bond them inside as shown. Do the same with all the pieces. So you will get 12.7 cm means 5 inches in length. On the other hand, we will take the red or yellow color thread and roll them in a small book as shown. Then cut it out on one side to make a tassel. And now secure the upper part of the thread with the help of a string or rubber band. Similarly, make one big size thread too. Now secure both of them together. Now, with the help of a tape, we will fix the tassel with the hat as shown. And lastly, we will place a circle of black pepper on the tape. So see this, our graduation cap is completely ready. Isn't it so easy? Ta-da! See my cap, isn't it cool? So do try at home and enjoy your graduation day with lots of excitement and fun. So meet you with another video for now. Bye bye and enjoy.